Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cookie Clicker on Xbox. First, you'll need to find the game. It's available as a digital download directly from the Xbox Store. Simply navigate to the store, search for Cookie Clicker, and initiate the download. Make sure your console has enough free space, typically around 100 megabytes, for a smooth installation. Once downloaded, you're ready to start your cookie empire. The core of Cookie Clicker is simple yet addictive. You start by pressing the button repeatedly to bake your very first cookies. As you accumulate more cookies, you can then spend them on buildings like grandmas, farms, and factories, which automatically produce cookies for you. The goal is to buy and upgrade these buildings to dramatically boost your cookies per second, allowing for even faster progression. To truly master Cookie Clicker, you'll want to delve into advanced strategies. Keep an eye out for golden cookies that appear randomly. Clicking them grants temporary but huge boosts to your cookie production. Also, consider unlocking powerful upgrades and heavenly chips. Eventually, you can rebirth your game, resetting progress but gaining permanent prestige bonuses that accelerate your next playthrough significantly. Here are some final tips to help you succeed. Always prioritize purchasing the most cost-effective upgrades to maximize your cookie output. It's crucial to balance your active clicking with the passive cookie generation from your buildings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different upgrade paths and building combinations to discover what works best for your playstyle. Happy clicking, and enjoy building your cookie empire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.